Do you know many people are having trouble with unlocking their oven during a self-clean? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Press cancel. Press the cancel/off button on the oven's control panel to halt the self-clean cycle. Step 2. Wait for cooling. Wait patiently for the oven to cool down to a safe temperature below the locking threshold. Step 3. Door unlocks. Look for the automatic unlocking of the oven door, which occurs once it has cooled sufficiently. Step 4. Avoid force. Refrain from using force to open the door. This prevents any possible damage or injury. Step 5. Open slowly. Once the door unlocks, open it slowly to avoid any lingering heat or steam. Now, you should be able to open your GE oven door safely after halting a self-clean cycle. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other GE users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.